Warning: the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Benefield Bunch. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing the Toe of Satan Challenge, or Satan Toe Challenge. However you want to say it, that's what we're doing today. The Toe of Satan Challenge from Flamethrower Candy Company comes possibly the hottest candy on the planet. Do you dare attempt to conquer this sinister lollipop? The Toe of Satan has been spawned from a devastating 9 million Scoville unit chili extract guaranteed to scorch any mortal's tongue. Can you survive 5 whole minutes of intense heat? 5 whole minutes, that's the goal. It says if you take it out right away, you're a coward. If you make it to 1 minute, you're a wimp. If you make it to 2 minutes, you're a show off. 3 minutes, loss of feeling. 4 minutes, really? And 5 minutes, this is 911, what's your emergency? We only have two Satan toes and 3 people. I'm going to take a whole one, and these two are going to take a half of one. You guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Alright, so again, as I said, some people in a lot of these videos we see take this and put it on the side of their mouth. And although painful, I don't believe it's as painful as putting it directly on your tongue. So to keep things fair, not have some of us putting it on the side of our mouth and some of us putting it on our tongue, we're all going to lay it right on the top of our tongue. Keep it there for as long as we can. The last one to take it out is the winner of this group. And of course, I'm going to try to do 5. Okay, guys, but listen. Here, I have a physiological reaction to eating things that are hot.
Oh, yeah.
And that reaction is intense hiccups. It's going to happen. I apologize in advance. It's going to happen. It's incredibly embarrassing. There's nothing I can do about it. It just happens. I give it 45 seconds from the time that I put this on my tongue before it starts. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Reset the timer.
Oh, we're close. Okay, good. I'm done.
I need some bread. Alright, listen. I'm never doing that again.
I'm out. She's got bumps on her foot.
The pain still is unbelievable.
Hey Alexa, stop.
There's no way I could do it to 5 minutes. My lips is bad. I'm pretty sure that was disgusting to watch.
It's funny.
I felt dizzy. I felt lightheaded. Right before I spit it out, I felt lightheaded. I can't feel.
If it was that bad, if I knew it was that bad, I wouldn't let you guys do that. Oh, that's bad. All right. So, Noah, what'd you think? Would you do it again?
No.
$100?
Maybe.
Logan, would you do it again?
I didn't have it as bad. I didn't have a stick, so it wouldn't touch my lips or anything. I would try it with the stick next time.
So, I'd do it again. It was terrible. My lips are still on fire. I don't know how long it's been since we did this craziness, but it is bad. My mouth, it is, I can't describe the pain. It's just on fire right now.
And Dad made me start laughing. God, it was making it worse.
Just it in my tongue, I felt like I was about to pass out. I started going lightheaded.
So the problem is you immediately start to salivate from that hot lollipop on your tongue. You start to salivate, and then you're either forced to spit it out or swallow it. Swallowing it's terrible. It being on your tongue is terrible. Your body and your mind is telling you to take it out. Your competitive nature is telling you to keep it in. All right, guys, this is the end of our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.
Hey.
We